Members of Lajna Imillah in Majlis Adelaide South have been holding monthly cooking classes at the Christie Downs Community House for the last year. Women of the Christie Downs Community House and women in the community are invited to attend these classes. The cooking classes aim to teach new skills and new recipes to the attendees. Furthermore, the classes are designed with the objective of acquainting participants and fostering connections with the Ahmadiyya Muslim Women's Association located in the southern region of Adelaide.
Hi, I am Alison. I am the Community Development Officer at Christie Downs Community House. And once again, we've had the pleasure of having the cooking classes at our centre. Our community has absolutely loved the cooking lessons. It's become more and more popular. It's something they look forward to every month. The atmosphere, the conversation, the friendship, the warmth is just beautiful to watch. We look forward to doing this again next year, and we hope it goes on for many, many years to come.
The classes have become increasingly popular over the last few months. There are regular attendees and new attendees in each class.
The cooking classes have been fantastic. I came to try to get used to spices, and I certainly have. And I've also found that it's not all about the cooking, it's also the community, and the people are so giving and nice.
The cooking classes have brought opportunities to not only create bonds in the community, but also bring opportunities to discuss and learn about Islam Ahmadiyyat.
Thank you, ladies, for all the hard work you've done. To the ladies that are taking part in the classes, this is just amazing, and you couldn't have done it without these lovely ladies to help you along. So thank you all so much.
By the grace of Allah, the cooking classes have seen enormous success, with many attendees looking forward to next year already. MTA International, Australia Studios.